Hey guys, this is Rain. She is a 12-year-old spotted saddle horse mare. She stands right at 15 hands tall. She's got a keg shoe on all 4 feet. Nothing special, nothing fancy. This little mare is absolutely broke for any level rider, any beginner. If you've never rode a horse, you'll get along with her. If you're timid, you'll love her. If you need a confidence builder, she'll build your confidence. This mare will be worth her weight in gold, I'm telling you. She is a good mare. You point, she'll go. She's gated out of this world. And icing on the cake, she will have a baby in April. All right, she is in foal. She is confirmed in foal. You can really see it if you're standing there in person. I'm not gonna ride her hard. I'm gonna show her off a little bit. She is gonna have a foal in April. Out of a two-time international world grand champion Kentucky Mountain saddle horse stallion. Okay, his name is Jack. Anyway, his name is LSS. He's Smoking Hot, also known as Jack, which is owned by Cindy Clevenger of Sandy Hook, Kentucky. This mare is also owned as Cindy Clevenger. Now, this mare has had another baby. She's got a baby now. Cindy's got a baby out of this horse. She might have sold it. I don't know if she did or not. Anyway, it's a beautiful baby. I'm gonna put his pictures in here too. He looks just like his daddy. He's like a red roan dun or something like that. I think his color beautiful. Absolutely. I mean, racking a hole in the ground the day he was born. He's stepping and moving out all natural gait. I mean, that one heck of a baby. This mare's going to have the same way. She will be the foal will be completely fully registrable, the whole 9 yards, out of a two-time international grand champion stud. And this mare, you're going to have a phenomenal foal. You got your mare too. It's winter time. Take this mare home with you, ride her a little bit this fall if you want to, or put her up. Anyway, in April you're going to have you a foal. Let her, leave the baby on her a little while and just have you a good trail mare next year. She'll be the same mare when you get her out next year after she foals. After you wean that baby, she'll be just as good as what she is right now. I promise you, you can leave her set. And I've known this mare for a long time. I've known Cindy most of my definitely my horse life. I've known her. I knowed her whenever I was getting started. Used to be her neighbor. Good people. You got this is a good mare out here. Cindy is just she's got some health issues and she's getting out of the breeding business is my understanding. Maybe she might not be getting 100% out, but I know she's slowing down and she ain't got a whole lot anyway, and she's very picky what she breeds to, very picky, and she needs to be. She's got a small breeding farm. She don't breed 30, 40 horses a year. She's not in it for the money. She is in it for the quality, okay? Quality over quantity with Cindy. She is a very educated person in the horse world. She's probably honestly, she is the most educated horse person I know. I promise you, she really is. If I have horse questions about the old time horses, where these mountain horses came from, originated from, Cindy's my go-to person. She knows her horses. She knows them. I've done a lot of work for Cindy over the years. She's done a lot of work for me. We're good business friends. We was good neighbors, just good people. Anyway, very educated in the horse world. She knows what she's doing. She knows what she's got. This is her second baby out of this mare. This one's going to come with the mare. The other baby it might still be at home. She might have sold it. I don't know. Maybe it's available. I don't know. Anyway, here she is, guys. This is your opportunity to own a good one. She's plumb good. She's got a keg shoe, all 4 feet, nothing special, nothing fancy, a good mare. Guys, I'm just going to ride her lightly today. Like I said, she is heavy and full. I'm not going to go out here and speed rack her up down the road or nothing like that. We're just going to ease her around here. Let me show you what we got. You want one for kids, grandmother, confidence builder. Right here she is. too long.